Alright guys, as you can see here, I have broken a wheel stud. So we're going to take that off. We're going to replace it. Just two 17mm bolts holding the caliper on. Pull this off, then our rotor, and then we'll get the wheel stud out. And just like that, we should have the rotor off here. Now we got to replace that guy right there. Brake pads don't look that bad. Rotor. We got to figure out how to get this guy off of there. See, can't get her off. Got it set up here. And just like that, we got it out. Few whacks with the hammer. And she came right out. Alright, so now we're to the point trying to put this wheel stud back in here. I'm gonna try and go in from the back side. And hopefully that'll go right in. Did that one-handed. I think the way I'm gonna press this on to the back here, get it to press in, is I don't have a tool to insert this correctly, so I'm gonna stack a bunch of washers on here and use the lug nut and tighten it down, and hopefully that works. Let's see if it'll give it a shot here. Not too quite sure on how this is going to work, but I don't know how many I'm going to need. Try this one. A little bit more. Just like that, should have a wheel stud installed. It's pressed all around there. Go ahead and throw your rotor back on. Just like that. Put the brake caliper back on and should be good to go.